All right, I am pulling into Bull Auto right now. I don't think I'm getting anywhere, but look what we see. We see cops. We see mad cops. We see Colony Police is who we called. We got tow trucks. No, I'm going to back up. I'm going to try to go around the other way. I'm not really using my brain because I'm not really thinking straight because I'm a fucking nervous wreck for what this guy fucking did. Good deal. I actually called the Colony Police and told them what was going on. I am glad they are down here doing what they're doing. But I'm going to go around. I hope this guy gets in fucking custody because he's destroyed lives, man. I mean, me and my wife, $200,000 is a lot of money to us. But you guys seen the other video, and they're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. Hundreds of thousands of dollars. Hundreds. Well, here we are. We're gonna sit here. Where do you want? Where do you want me to go? Is that guy pulling that car out? I could pull in here. You gonna get out? Yeah, you should get out.
Oh, you should get out.
I will get out. I know. Well, right there, more and more cars being towed out of here.